you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2025 in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and set up your game for a smoother experience. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher, Steam, or other and navigate to the game library. Right-click on Baldur's Gate 3, select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Update game and launcher. Make sure both Baldur's Gate 3 and your game launcher are updated to the latest version. Updates often contain fixes for known issues, including cloud save problems. Step 4. Check cloud save settings. In your game launcher settings, ensure that cloud saves are enabled. For Steam, go to Settings, then Cloud, and confirm that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization option is checked. Step 5. Restart and retry. After completing the previous steps, restart your computer and relaunch the game. Attempt to load your save files again to see if the issue has been resolved. If you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and enjoy your game without interruptions.